Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Netflix on Samsung Smart TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is powered on. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen. Locate the Netflix app on the main menu. If you do not see the Netflix app, scroll to the right to find it or select the Netflix app by pressing the OK button on your remote. Wait for the app to load. Once the Netflix app has opened, you will see the login screen. If you already have a Netflix account, choose the option to log in. Enter your email address associated with your Netflix account using the on-screen keyboard. After entering your email, navigate to the password field. Input your Netflix password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check that both your email and password are entered correctly. Once you have confirmed your login credentials, select the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be directed to the Netflix homepage. From here, you can browse through available content and start watching. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. In case you've forgotten your password, select the Need Help option for recovery instructions. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Netflix. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.